Hey y'all, welcome back. Lova's Crafts here, and here is the A Beauty and Her Beast by Diamond Art Club. This is a Sheena Pike, and I'm obsessed with it. This was started on February 17th, 2024, and finished today, April 15th, 2024. Yes, I took my time with this, but I enjoyed every second that I worked on this. She is gorgeous. I'm loving it. A few things about this, though. There was slippery, like, glue on certain parts of this diamond painting, which kind of made a few placements difficult. 3865 and 3033 have similar symbols, and they're similar in color, so you really have to be careful with that. There were holes in the drills, which is not uncommon for squares. Some drills did have the tabs on them, so those were essentially trash. But this was very easy to work up. I would actually have recommended this for a beginner if this was still available. This is a 22 by 28 inch, 56 centimeter by 71 centimeter square. And I did do an enhancement on this area. So instead of using the, I believe it's the 131 that I used in the dress, I actually used 129 for the flame. So that was the only change that was made. But let me know what you guys think about A Beauty and Her Beast. The only other thing I had to complain about too, you can't really see that Beast name in the collar. But let me know what you guys think. I enjoyed this. This one was probably one of my favorites that I've done. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.